Blind date. In a big city full of lights and noise, two hearts, Amelia and Ethan, were silently wishing for love. They had tried everything to find their special someone, but all in vain. Their caring friends, seeing their loneliness, set them up on a blind date. The chosen spot was a cozy cafe, with a warm ambience and soft melodies floating in the air. Ethan arrived first, feeling a mix of hope and nervousness. He fidgeted with his napkin, glancing at the door every few seconds. Then Amelia walked in, her presence gentle like the first breeze of spring. She spotted Ethan and approached the table with a shy smile. "Hi, Ethan. I'm Amelia. I hope I'm not too late," she said, her voice soft but clear. "No, not at all. I just got here myself." "It's nice to meet you, Amelia," Ethan replied, his voice betraying his nerves but his smile genuine. They ordered their drinks and started chatting. At first, their words were cautious, like delicate steps on a new path. "So, I hear you're a writer. What do you write about?" Ethan asked, curious. Amelia's eyes lit up. "I write about distant lands and deep emotions. Stories that take you on a journey. And you? I've heard your paintings are quite the sight." Ethan's face warmed with a modest pride. "I paint what I feel. Colors and shapes that tell stories without words. It's my way of speaking to the world." The conversation flowed, from their favorite books and paintings to their funniest childhood memories. They laughed together, felt the same things, and shared their stories. They found they were different in some ways, but these differences made their talk more interesting. As the cafe's lights dimmed, signaling the end of the evening, they both felt a reluctance to part ways. "This was really nice, Amelia. I didn't expect to feel so comfortable, you know?" Ethan said, his voice tinged with a newfound warmth. Amelia nodded, her heart echoing his sentiment. "I agree. It felt like talking to an old friend. Maybe the stars aligned for us tonight." They stood up, lingering for a moment. The goodbye was soft, but the promise of a new beginning hung in the air, unspoken but deeply felt. As they went their separate ways, the city seemed to share their happy, hopeful feelings. The blind date was the start of their new story. A story they were both excited to write together.